That device in your pocket? It's a money-making machine. Seriously, the smartphone you carry everywhere is more than just a tool for scrolling and texting. It's a gateway to opportunity, creativity, and even financial freedom. You're scrolling, watching others live their dreams thinking, I could do that. You see people just like you, turning their ideas into reality, building audiences and making money, all from their phones. But then you hesitate. No fancy camera, no studio, no budget. Maybe you think you need the latest gear or a perfect setup to get started. Here's the truth, your smartphone is the most powerful content creation tool ever invented. It's always with you, always ready, and it's all you need to start. It's a TV studio, a radio station, a printing press, and a global network all in your hand. You can shoot, edit, and share your story with the world in minutes. You have more power than a media mogul from 30 years ago. Imagine what you could do with that kind of reach and influence right now. The idea that you need more is just fear in disguise. It's your mind trying to protect you from the unknown, but it's holding you back. I started with nothing but a flip camera and passion. No followers, no fancy lights, just a desire to share my story. No perfect setup, no budget, just action. I made do with what I had, and that was enough to get going. The tools are better and cheaper now. In fact, they're free. You can record, edit, and publish, all from your phone, without spending a dime. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, they're begging for your content. These platforms want new voices, fresh ideas, and authentic stories. Your phone is your all-access pass. It opens doors to audiences, opportunities, and even collaborations you never imagined. So, let's make a deal. Drop every excuse. The only thing standing between you and your first video is your willingness to try. You're not at a disadvantage. In fact, you're ahead of the game because you're willing to start. You have time, a phone, and a brain, the holy trinity of content creation. That's all you need to make something amazing. You can build an empire from your bedroom, your garage, or the bus ride to work. Your location doesn't matter, your action does. The barrier to entry is zero. Stop consuming, start creating, the game is on, and you're invited to play. Forget one day, start today. The best time to begin is now, with what you have. Every creator you admire started with what they had. They didn't wait for perfect, they just pressed record. The only thing you need is the courage to begin. Take a breath, hit record, and let your story unfold. Your phone is your ticket. It's your invitation to the world's biggest stage. The stage is empty. Step up. It's time to play. Let's go. Your moment is waiting. The biggest myth in the world of content creation, the one that stops most people before they even start, is that you need money to start. People will tell you that you need fancy gear, expensive software, or a huge budget just to get going. That's a lie sold by people who want your cash. They profit from your hesitation, convincing you that you're not ready until you buy what they're selling. You don't need a $3,000 camera or a $5,000 course. The truth is, most viral videos are shot on phones, not fancy cameras. The missing piece is you doing the work. Hit record, put in the hours. Consistency and effort matter more than any piece of equipment. You can't buy your way to success, you have to earn it. Every late night, every rough draft, every upload counts. The most relatable creators, they started with what they had. Their authenticity is what draws people in, not their gear. Audiences crave authenticity, not perfection. They want to see real people, real stories, and real journeys. Your lack of budget is your strength. It forces you to be real. Creativity thrives under constraints. Every dollar you think you need is just another excuse. Don't let your wallet decide your future. A new camera? That's time you could spend making content, learning, and improving your craft. Paid software? There are free options everywhere. What matters is your story, not your tools. Courses on going viral? The only way is to make content, learn, and get lucky. No course can guarantee your success. Stop shopping for shortcuts. Start creating. The only shortcut is to start now, with what you have. The tools don't make the creator uses the tools. Your vision is what matters most. You need $0 to start. All you need is the drive to create and the willingness to learn. Your currency is time, creativity, and consistency. Invest those, and you'll see results. Anyone saying otherwise is selling you something. Don't buy into their fear tactics. The real winners use free platforms and put in the work. They show up day after day and keep improving. The work is where the magic happens. That's where you grow, experiment, and discover your style. That's where you find your voice. That's where you become a creator, not just a consumer. That's how you build your audience, by showing up, being real, and putting in the work every single day. Ready to work? You've got your phone, no more excuses. So, how do you actually make money? There are 5 free ways to start. You don't have to pick just one. Smart creators build multiple streams. Here's your starting lineup: YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships, and creator platform bonuses. Each is about getting paid for the attention you command. Attention is the internet's currency. Learn to get it, then monetize it, starting today, for free. Don't get overwhelmed, you don't need to master all 5 at once. Understand your options, pick 1 or 2, and start. Maybe you love reviewing products. Affiliate marketing is for you. Maybe you're a teacher. Digital products are your goldmine. Know how the money flows, then direct it into your pocket. This isn't rocket science, it's a new playbook. Let's break down each method, no fluff. First up, YouTube ad revenue. Make videos, get views, and YouTube pays you for ads. Your channel is digital real estate. Every video is a property that can earn for years. But you need to hit milestones. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Sounds tough? It's just a goal. Consistency and value get you there. Post regularly. Give people a reason to watch and subscribe. Ask for the subscribe, guide your audience. Don't obsess over numbers, focus on the process. Make each video better than the last. Learn from your audience's comments. Subscribers and watch hours follow value and effort. Pick a niche you love: gaming, cooking, fitness, whatever. Your first 100 videos are your training ground. Video 101 could be the one that changes everything. Consistency is key. Don't wait for perfect. Start now. Every upload is a step closer. Your digital real estate grows with every video. Build it and the income will come. Let's talk about your first sale. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way. Recommend products you use, share your link, and earn a commission. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates. It's free. Mention products you love in your content. Be authentic. Trust is everything. Only recommend what you believe in. Next, digital products. Create something once, sell it forever. Ebooks, guides, templates, courses, whatever you know, package it. You don't need a fancy website. Use free tools like Canva and Gumroad. Price it low, offer value, and launch to your audience. Your first sale is unforgettable. You're an expert to someone. Share your knowledge. Start simple, improve as you go. The key is to start. Now the big leagues: sponsorships and platform bonuses. Sponsorships brands pay you to feature their products. You don't need millions of followers. Brands want engaged, niche audiences. Build a brand, not just a channel. Make a simple media kit with Canva, then reach out to brands you love. Don't wait. Be proactive. Platform bonuses. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube pay creators directly for great content. No selling, no negotiating, just make content people love. Requirements change, but the strategy is the same. Create engaging, consistent content. Focus on short, punchy videos for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Platforms are literally paying you to post. Stay updated, keep hustling. Free money is on the table. Claim it. Let's talk tools. Don't get hung up on gear. You can build a media company with free software. For video editing, DaVinci Resolve, Desktop, Shotcut or CapCut Mobile, all free. For graphics, Canva is king. Make thumbnails, banners, media kits, and more. For audio, Audacity is free and powerful for voiceovers. For scripting and organization, Google Docs, Sheets, and Trello keep you on track. Everything you need is free and available. The only thing missing is your execution. Stop searching for excuses, start using these tools. Learn as you go. Don't wait for perfect gear, start with what you have. The pros use these tools too. Your creativity matters more than your equipment. The best tool is the one you use. Start today, build as you grow. Build as... How long does it take to make money? There's no set timeline. It depends on your niche, quality, consistency, and a bit of luck. If you put in 5-10 hours a week, expect 3-6 months of learning and building. Your first 100 subscribers are your foundation. 6 to 12 months in, you might hit YouTube's requirements and see your first ad revenue or affiliate sale. Year 2, $100, $500 a month is realistic. If you go harder, 15-20 hours a week, you could hit milestones faster. Multiple uploads, engaging with your audience, and studying what works accelerates growth. By year's end, $500, $1,000 a month is possible. Year 2 could mean full-time income. The variable is you, your work ethic, and adaptability. These aren't promises, but possibilities. Do nothing, earn nothing. Be inconsistent, you'll fail. Your timeline is dictated by your actions. Commit to 1 year, no quitting. The results will follow. We've covered strategy, tools, and timelines, but none of it matters without the right mindset. Your mindset is the foundation for everything you want to achieve as a creator. It's what keeps you going when things get tough, and what helps you see opportunities where others see obstacles. Mindset is the engine. Everything else is just the car. Without the right fuel, you won't get far no matter how fancy your equipment is. When you get 0 views, do you quit or make another video? Every creator faces setbacks, but the ones who succeed are the ones who keep showing up, even when it feels like no one is watching. Fall in love with the process, not the results. The journey is where you grow, learn, and discover your true voice. If you're only in it for money, you'll burn out. Chasing numbers and trends will drain your energy fast. The money comes from providing value and sharing your passion. When you genuinely care about your message, people notice. Find what you love to talk about. Do it for free at first. Let your curiosity and excitement guide you. Patience is key. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Growth takes time, and every step forward counts. Consistency proves you believe in your vision. Showing up again and again builds trust with your audience and with yourself. Show up, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is what separates dreamers from doers. Every video is a rep. Build the muscle. The more you create, the better you get and the easier it becomes. You can't expect results from one try. Mastery comes from repetition, not luck. What's your excuse now? You have the phone, the tools, the blueprint. Everything you need is already in your hands. The only thing stopping you is you. Your self-doubt is the biggest barrier you'll ever face. Crush the fear of judgment and perfection. No one starts out perfect and no one expects you to be. Make a crappy video today, post it. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction every time. Make a better one tomorrow. Progress is built one step at a time. That's the secret. Start, then improve. Your journey begins now. Go, execute, the stage is yours. No more waiting, no more excuses. The only way to win is to play. You can't score if you never step onto the field. Your future audience is waiting. The time is now. Start building. You've got this. The world is ready for your story, so go tell it.